Okay, today we are going to look at alpha particle emission. That is to say, when an atom gives out alpha particle from itself, what becomes of the atom? Remember, radioactivity, after undergoing radioactivity, you will not remain the same. There must be a change in you. So let's see the change that occurs in an element after releasing alpha particle. Remember, as I told you in the previous video, the symbol for alpha particle is alpha. So books can write it as this. It's still the same thing. If you don't use alpha sign, you can use helium. Why do we use helium? Because helium has the same mass as alpha particle. So if you don't use alpha sign, you can use helium symbol to represent alpha particle. And what are the characteristics of this alpha particle? Note this. Among the other radioactive particles, alpha particle is the particle that has the lowest penetrating power. That is, when it is released, its motion can be stopped by a thick cloud of air, like air. A thick cloud of it can stop the movement of alpha particle, to show you that alpha particle has a low penetrating power. It's not that powerful in terms of penetration. It has the lowest. So the number one property or characteristic of alpha particle is that it has the lowest penetrating power. Secondly, it is positively charged. It is a positive charge. Third, alpha particle has the same mass as a helium atom. Now let's see. When an element gives out alpha particle, let's see what happens to the element. Let's take, for instance, an element known as A. Let's assume there is an element called A. And the atomic number of this element, let's call it Z. Remember, the number down is your atomic number, while the number up is your atomic mass. So let's say that the atomic mass here is K. An element whose atomic number is Z and the atomic mass is K. Let's see. If this element gives out an alpha particle, what will become of the elements? So if this person whose atomic number is Z gives out alpha particle, let's see what will become of A. Remember, in radioactivity, when you emit any particle, be it alpha, beta, positron, neutron, your nature will change. You no longer remain the same person. Now, whenever alpha is emitted, alpha has 4 in the atomic mass, 2 in the atomic number. So whenever alpha is emitted, it means that 4 will be removed from the atomic mass of the atom, while 2 will be removed from the atomic number. So emission of alpha particle means reducing your atomic mass by 2 and reducing your atomic number by 2. Because that person you are removing is living with 4 in your atomic mass, 2 in your atomic number. That means if this person gives out this alpha particle, what will become of the person? Let's say the new element it will become will be B. Let's call it B. Now this B, what will be the atomic mass? What will be the atomic number? The atomic mass of A is K. When alpha is given out, 4 will go out of this atomic mass. That means the new atomic mass now will become K minus 4. After giving out alpha, 2 will go out from the atomic number. So the new atomic number for the new element formed will be Z minus 2. So in summary, emission of alpha particle reduces the atomic number by 2 and reduces the atomic number, so the atomic mass, by 4. Let's take, for instance, uranium. When uranium undergoes alpha particle emission, let's see what happens to uranium. If uranium-238, the atomic mass of uranium here is 238, and the atomic number of uranium is 92. Remember, uranium is the 92nd element. So the atomic number is 92. If this uranium gives out alpha particle, let's see what will become of it. Giving out alpha particle means its atomic number will drop. The atomic number will drop by 2. So 90 minus 2 will be 2. Sorry, it will be 90. While the atomic mass will reduce by 4. Remember, alpha particle has 4, 2. So whenever you give out alpha particle, it means you have removed 4 from the atomic mass and you have removed 2 from the atomic number. So if I remove 4 from the atomic mass, I have 238. If I remove 4, I'll have 234. And the elements that have these qualities, atomic number of 90, is thorium. So this simply means that when uranium emits alpha particle, the new element formed is thorium. Remember, this person here has removed 4 and 2. So that when you add up this, if you want to get back this, you say 234 plus 4 gives you 238. While 90 plus 2 gives you 92. So whether whether this number is displayed or not, as long as you say alpha, note that 4 has been removed from up, 2 removed from down. And that is just what happens when alpha particle is emitted. In summary, emission of alpha particle by an atom reduces the atomic number of the atom by 2 and reduces the atomic mass by 4. So this is what we have. Thank you for watching. You can still have other examples. You can try out this one. If lead undergoes alpha particle emission, what happens? Lead undergoing alpha particle emission, what will become of lead? Subtract lead, as you know, is 207, and the atomic number is 82. So if this happens, what will become of lead? Subtract 2 from here, subtract 4 from here, write it here, tell us the new elements. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel.